Electric vehicle maker Li Auto, formerly known as Lixiang, is about to go public on New York Stock Exchange later this month or early August under the ticker name symbol Li. Like NIO, it's one of the 4 top new energy vehicle startups in China making electric cars in China. And thanks to our friend, here's a clip showing what's like inside its factory in Changzhou, China. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armen Hareyan from TorqueNews.com. Thanks to our friend Ray, who tweets at Ray for Tesla, we have this exclusive clip from Li Auto, formerly known as Lixiang, showing what's like inside its electric vehicle factory in Changzhou. Thank you very much, Ray, for sending this video. And also, friends, before we get started, please subscribe to our channel, share this video on social media, and also like this video to show your appreciation of Ray, who sent us this short exclusive video. So while you are watching this video, I'm going to tell you a little bit about Li Auto. Li Auto last Friday announced it had filed an application for the US regulator to offer shares on Nasdaq, making it its second Chinese electric vehicle maker to list on the United States stock market after NIO. So why does this matter? The filing confirms a long-running rumor and enlarges a gap between frontrunners and losers in a slowing Chinese electric vehicle market. A few days ago, I did a story report on the winners and the losers, and the Tesla is the sole winner, and there are few other winners like NIO and Li Auto now, and the rest of them are squeezing and being squeezed. But I told that soon we will probably see a consolidation of Chinese electric vehicle market, and Li Auto and NIO are one of the top leaders, but the biggest leaders, of course, in the Chinese market is Tesla in its short time being in China. The winners in China's electric vehicle industry are starting to emerge. Share prices for Tesla challenger NIO hit an all-time high of $14.98 last Friday after it secured lines of credit it secured lines of credit from 6 domestic banks totaling 10.4 billions of RMB. Meanwhile, Byton, as well as several other would-be electric vehicle makers, is on the verge of insolvency. Beijing-based Li Auto Incorporated, most of you know it as Lixiang, listed a placeholder amount of $100 million for its offering in a last Friday's filing to the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission SEC without a price range for the shares. Li Auto boasted a higher capital efficiency than most rivals, recording revenue of $120 million and gross profit of 68.3 million Chinese yuans in the first 3 months of this year, according to the filing. So as you can see from this accompanying video, after I finish my speech, by the way, I will turn off my volume. You will see how it sounds there. As you can see from this video, the company is very busy. No wonder they made $120 million of revenue. The company's first quarter gross margin of around 8% outperforms rival NIO's vehicle margin of minus 7.4% during the same period. NIO has said it expects positive gross margin in second quarter. However, Li Auto is bleeding cash along with its rivals, with around 4 billion Chinese yuans in total net losses over the past 2.5 years. Quarter one losses had narrowed nearly 80% year-on-year to RMB 77.1 million. Li Auto began delivering in December its first mass-market model, the Li One, a plug-in hybrid crossover, and has sold more than 10,677 of the premium plug-in hybrid electric vehicles over the past 8 months. To compare, NIO has delivered 46,082 units over a 2-year period. In the second quarter, Tesla delivered 90,000 vehicles. So you can see the difference where things are compared to Tesla. Li One, with a starting price of RMB 328,000 RMB, which is $46,870, was top ranked in sales volume for all medium to large fuel efficient and electric SUVs in the first half of this year, according to figures from China Automotive Technology and Research Centers. The second ranked Lexus RX 450h sold 3,290 units, followed by NIO ES8 with deliveries of 2,435 units. Lixiang, Lixiang's company's CEO and founder, currently holds a 25.1% stake in the company, followed by Meituan CEO Wang Xing with 23.5%. Li will retain around 70.3% of the voting power after the IPO, according to the filing. The company plans to trade on the Nasdaq under the symbol LI. Goldman Sachs, Morgan Stanley, and UBS are underwriters for the deal. Formerly known as Lixiang, Li Auto was founded by internet veteran Lixiang in mid-2015. Li formed Chinese car buying portal autohome.com in 2005, which has been listed on the New York Stock Exchange since December of 2013. The company closed its $550 million Series D led by Meituan earlier this month. Wang, founder of the Chinese food delivery giant, has been its strongest backer since 2019, when he led Li Auto's $530 million Series C. Xpeng, another EV startup on the rise, may be following in its footsteps. Reports about the company secretly filing for US listing in June have been circulating in Chinese media. An Xpeng spokesperson declined to comment to the tech node who presented this story. Friends, let me know what you think about these developments, what competition this will be for Tesla, and where do you see things going in terms of competing with Tesla. I think this is very interesting. What do you think about this video? This is an exclusive look of how things at Li Auto are going right now, and I think this is going to be a very interesting development, because we see more and more companies are emerging as global players, and I don't know how successful Li Auto will be, but we'll see how things go. In the meantime, this is Armen Hareyan from TalkNews.com. Thank you, Ray, for sending this video. Friends, if you have interesting and exclusive videos, please feel free to send them to me. I'll look at them and see if we can report on them as to our community. And have a wonderful day. This is Armen Hareyan. Please subscribe to our channel, and also I would really appreciate if you would share this on social media, and also like this video to show your appreciation of our friend Ray who provided this video. And now enjoy the video in the volume, and I'll see you in our next report. God bless you and take good care of each other. See you soon, friends.
大家可以看到，它的下面是有左右对称的各自带机器人，然后上面是有2台，整个工位一共有10台机器人。